In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When your app is ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Now just click on While using and allow in all visible pop-ups and close and add. Finally, you can adjust all of those options and click on Set as Default at the top. Then hit iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. To manage all of its options, go back to the same app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by clicking on iOS Launcher app, hitting Set as Default at the top, and clicking on the default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!